Hello YouTubers, Matt Cochran here, and boy do I have a really eye-opening movie for you. It's called Songbird, starring KJ, Appa, and Sophia Carson. They lead really an all-star cast of characters in this sci-fi thriller uh, where all hell is broken loose after a severe strain of COVID breaks out across Los Angeles and much of the country's big cities, causing the government to take all control over everybody. They're in massive lockdown where only a few pockets of immune people can go freely and do their jobs. They have bracelets that tell everyone they're immune and safe, whereas everybody else has to stay at home and live, undergoing daily health checks for the virus, that if you're found infected, you get immediately taken away to zones called quarantine zones, likely never to be seen again. Well, one man who makes a living out of being a delivery person is about to get caught up in the government's crosshairs after his girlfriend's grandmother gets infected, and she is in danger of, because she's taken care of her, she is now in danger of also being quarantined. So he is in a race against time to get a knockoff immunity bracelet that will secure her freedom and allow them to get out of the state to a different state that's not as restrictive. He will have to do things that he never thought possible to get his girl to freedom and to live a better life. Will he be able to get her to safety and leave the state of California? Or will they all be doomed? This is a pretty eye-opening glimpse into a possible future if things get real bad. It was very surprising to see somebody make a movie like this. It needs to be seen. The acting is really good. It's an edge of your seat thrill ride, and you'll love it. 5 out of 5. You can find it on the PlayStation Store and other streaming networks, and it probably will be available on DVD and Blu-ray. So until my next review, watch those movies, like my videos, and subscribe to my channel. Leave any comments you might have on my comment section. Bye.